Let us see how a transaction is handled inside the database. This is a complex process, but I've tried my best to simplify it. Let's just say I have a table like this. Now I change the value of banana to pear using an update statement. What happens now? Oracle notes that the new value is pear in the memory, but it doesn't write it on the actual table yet. What if the server crashes and reboots accidentally now? The database will come clean during the next startup as nothing was written in the table. Of course, the content in the memory will be wiped out as it does during every restart of a computer. Let's call that as crash 1. After that, we connect again and notice that the value is still banana as it should be. We change that to pear and commit the transaction this time. What will happen now? Oracle has two sections called redo and undo stored permanently in the disk. It will write the new value to redo. Why? In a typical environment, there will be millions of transactions. It won't be efficient to write on the real tables each time by going back and forth. Instead, it uses this redo as a quick scrapbook to note down the information. Then it will go and update the real tables when it finds time. Let me stress this again. Redo and undo information are stored in the disk and they are permanent. I'll come to undo later. Now, let's just say that I did the modification at 10 a.m. At 10:02, somebody runs a select on this table. This is well after commit. But the data hasn't been written to the table yet. They will read the first row without any issue. When they come to the second row, an internal mechanism indicates that this row has been modified and the new value can be found at the redo section. Then it will bring the result as this by reading from the redo section for the new values. Now at 10:03, the host computer crashes again. Let us call this as crash 2. Remember that the old data banana is still in the real table. And we all know that it is an invalid value because it has been changed to pear and confirmed through a commit. After restarting the host, the database is also restarted. When the database is starting up, it checks every data for its validity. An internal mechanism finds out that this banana is an old value and replaces it with the new value from the redo section. And it will look like this. Thank you for watching this video.